After analysis of variance of two factors, which factor A was the date and factor B was the branch of coffee shop, we have found that the branch had an influence on the coffee shop's revenue. Today we will test which branch is different from the others, a process called multiple comparison or Pos-hoc. Today we using Pos-hoc method in Bonferroni Collection Method. First, we compare three branches, that means three population. Our K equals 3. The significant level alpha is 0.05. Therefore, the Bonferroni collection significance was alpha divided by K equal 0.05 divided by 3 equal 0.0167. Next, we will pair the bench A, B, C one by one and test them by using t-test two-tail equal variance. Therefore, we get three pairs A and B, A and C, and B and C. We will use t-test two sample equal variance to find p-value of the t-test by using Microsoft Excel formula t.t-test bracket length of A, length of B, and 2 and 2. The first number 2 means t-test two-tail. The second number 2 means equal variance. Then we find the p-value equal 0.168. We use the same formula with the two pair A and C. But when we compare the significance of Bonferroni, we must use p-value one-tail. Then p-value one-tail was p-value divided by 2. The finding true p-value were 0.084, 0.015, 0.103, and Bonferroni collection significance was 0.0168. We will compare and conclude that if the value of Bonferroni less than true p-value, it means no difference between two branches in this pair. The first pair, we have conclusion that true p-value more than Bonferroni. So the conclusion was no difference between A and B. The conclusion of AC pair, the Bonferroni more than true p-value or true p-value less than Bonferroni. The conclusion was different between A and C. And the conclusion of BC pair, the true p-value more than Bonferroni collection, the conclusion was no different. Then by multiple comparison, the finding was A different from C, but C and B not different, so A different from the other. This is the conclusion by using Bonferroni collection method and by using Microsoft Excel formula.